Hello everyone. I will present our business information system group project called Caravanis. Caravanis is an integrated information system designed for a company that manufactures customized caravans. The system brings together four main areas: customer orders, production, inventory, and after-sales service. In a caravan company, these are strongly connected. A customer's choice affected quotation required materials, the production time, delivery date, and future warranty services. However, when departments use different files and communication tools, information can easily become incomplete and incorrect. The purpose of Caravan is to manage the complete process through one integrated system. In this presentation, I will explain the current problem, our proposed solution, the system structure, security, implementation, and expected benefits. This slide shows the current business problem. At the moment, the company uses different tools in different departments. The sales department prepares quotations in spreadsheets. The production department receives information through messages. The warehouse checks material manually. The service department records customer requests in email boxes. The main problem is that these two are not connected. For example, after the sales department changes an order, the production department may continue using an older version. This can cause wrong material or equipment to be used. The same customer and order information may also be entered several times by different employees. This creates duplicate data entry, human errors, unnecessary rework. The warehouse may discover a material shortage too late. As a result, production and delivery can be delayed. After the caravan is delivered, employees may also difficult to find its warranty and service history. The company therefore has no single source of truth. The final business impact is customer uncertainty, operational inefficiency, and limited information for managers. To solve these problems, we propose Caravanis. Caravanis is one integrated information system that covers the process from the first customer inquiry to after-sales service. As we can see on the slide, the system contains 8 connected areas: CRM section, stores, customer profiles, contact details, preferences, communication history. The configuration section allows the sales employees select a valid caravan models compatible options. The sales order section converts an approved quotation into an order without entering the same information again. The production section records production stages, planned dates, and delays. The inventory section shows available stock and material shortages. The warranty section records the caravan serial number and warranty coverage. The service section manages customers' requests, service tickets, and warranty claims. Finally, analytics section provides dashboard reports for managers. The main goal is simple. Caravan is connect to customer demand, required materials, production activities, service history in one place. We developed Caravan's project by following the System Development Lifecycle or SDLS. The first phase is planning. The first phase is planning. During the planning, we define the problem, prepare the system request, and identify the expected business value. The second phase is analysis. During this phase, we collect user requirement, examine the current business process. The third phase is design. Here we design the system architecture, database, interfaces, and security controls. The final phase is implementation. The phase includes developing, testing, training, deploying the system. We also examine the types of feasibility. Technical feasibility asks whether the system can be built. Caravanis uses the mature web, database, and client source technologies. Economic feasibility asks whether the expected benefits justify the cost. The system can reduce administrative work, mistakes, and delays. Organization feasibility asks whether employees, managers will accept the system. Users already experience these problems every day, so they can clearly understand the need. We recommend developing the system incrementally in control modules instead of implementing everything at the same time. Requirements and process flow. This slide explains what the system must do and how the main process works. On the left, we have the functional requirements. Caravanis must create customer records, generation quotations, convert and prove quotations into sales orders, reserve materials, update production stages, measures warranty service operations. On the right, we have the non-functional requirements. The system must secure, reliable, fast, mobile, planned, scalable, and easy to maintain. The process shows in the middle begins with the customer request. First, sales employee selects the caravan model and the options. The system prepares a quotation. The customer decides whether to approve the quotation. If the customer approves it, the quotation becomes a sales order. The system checks whether the required materials are available. Available materials are resolved and missing materials are reported to the purchasing department. After these checks, the production order is released. The process continues with delivery warranty after sales service. There are also important business rules. An order can only be created from approved quotation. Only compatible caravan options can be selected. Materials must be reserved for a specific production order. A warranty record must be connected to the delivered caravan. These rules makes the process structure visible and audible. Caravan uses a three-tier client-server architecture. The first tier is the presentation tier. This includes the web, mobile screens used by customers and employees. Second tier is the application tier. This tier manages the business rules for quotation, production, inventory, warranty, and service. This third tier is data tier. This tier contains the relational database. Database includes the main entities shown at the bottom of the slide. These are customer, quote, sales order, production order, inventory item, material reservation, service ticket, and vehicle. For example, a customer can have several quotations. A quotation creates a sales order. A sales order creates a production order. The production is then connected to the materials required for manufacture. After delivery service, tickets can be connected through the customer and the vehicle. This structure creates one reliable source of information for the whole company. Its main benefits are scalability, easier maintenance, stronger security, and more consistent data. Caravan is created in three important areas. The first is customer relation management. CRM module creates a shared customer history. Sales and service employees can view the same customer information. The second area is supply chain management. When a sales order is confirmed, the system calculates material demand and checks available inventory and supplier information. The third area is managerial decision support. Dashboard is giving managers updated information about sales, production, inventory, delivery, service. We also created the initial performance targets. First target is to reduce the quotation cycle time by 50%. The second target is to achieve at least 90% on-time production completion. The third target is to reach the customer satisfaction score of at least 4.5 out of 5. By combining customer data, supplier visibility, production status, Caravans helps managers make better decisions. Caravans contains customer production, financial vehicle, and warranty information. Therefore, security is a very important part of the system. The first security control is access control. Employees should use multi-factor authentication and role-based permissions. This means that every employee can only access the information needed for their job. The second control is data protection. Information sent through the network should be protected with TLS, encryption, and system backup should also be encrypted. The third area is secure coding. The system should validate user input and use parameterized queries to reduce attacks such as SQL injection. The fourth area is accountability. Audit logs should record important actions such as who changed the price, an order, or warranty decision. System must also protect customers' privacy. The customer should collect only the information it really needs. The customer should understand how their information is used, and the consent marketing preferences should be respected. The main ethical message is that not every technical possible use information is ethically acceptable. We recommend implementing Caravans in three increments. First increment includes CRM, quotation management, and sales order management. These modules create the main customer and order data. Second increment includes production planning, inventory management, and purchasing. This connects customer orders with materials production activities. Third increment includes delivery, warranty, after-sales service, and management dashboards. This step-by-step approach reduces the risk and makes it easier for employees to adapt. Before deployment, the system must test it carefully. Unit testing checks individual functions. Integration testing checks whether different modules work together. Security and performance testing check system safety and speed. Data migration reconciliation checks whether the old information has been transferred correctly. User systems testing confirms that system meets the real needs of employees. The company should measure success through quotation, order correction, material shortages, on-time production, and service resolution time. Training should be also role-based. Sales employees, planners, warehouse staff, and technician should practice tasks related to their own responsibilities. To conclude, Caravan is an important management problem customized. We recommend implementing Caravan in 3 increments. Sorry. My mistake. To conclude, Caravan transforms disconnected work into one integrated information system. The system connects the complete business process shown on the slide. It begins with customer and quotation. It continues with an order materials production and delivery. After delivery, it supports service and managerial analytics. Our final recommendation is to start the customer quotation and sales order management. These functions will create a reliable data foundation. After this foundation is established, the company can add production, inventory, warranty, service, analytical functions step by step. The company should continuously measure the system performance and employee adaptation through the key performance indicators. The expected results are higher operation efficiency, better managerial decisions, more accurate information, stronger customer satisfaction. However, software alone will not guarantee success. The company will also need accurate data, employee training, management support, good security practices, and continuous improvement. Thank you for listening our presentation.